In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Hold one you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple, use this icon at the top right corner. If you want to delete even more, scroll down and use all of those icons at the top right corners. To keep some of your photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, hit the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete your photos from albums, you need to do exactly the same with one difference. After holding your photo, hit Select All at the top right corner instead of icons, and then hit the same delete button to get rid of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!